The 24-inch Metarie II is a coastal-style ceiling fan with an ultra-compact design. The fan is rated for indoor use and is pull chain operated. The 24-inch blade span is perfectly suited for small rooms that are 10 feet by 10 feet or smaller. The fan can be installed on regular ceilings or ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that has 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a stepladder, screwdriver, adjustable wrench, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. Pick a side of the reversible blade to face upward and align with the holes on the blade arm. Insert 3 blade attachment screws from the bottom side. Place a washer and nut on each screw. Use the adjustable wrench to hold the nuts in place as you tighten the screws. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. On the fan motor assembly, align the holes on the blade assembly with the holes on top of the motor, then tighten both screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. The fan motor can now be assembled and mounted. On the canopy assembly, twist and remove the canopy cover. Unscrew the non-slotted mounting bracket screw. Loosen the remaining slotted screw. Remove the hanger bracket. On the hanger ball downrod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the downrod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Guide the motor wires through the downrod and insert it into the collar. Align the holes, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Place the canopy ring and canopy over the downrod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to secure the ground lead, insert the cross pin, and tighten the set screw against the side of the downrod. At the ceiling box, remove the 2 screws. Bring the hanger bracket up to the box and align with the holes. Insert both screws and tighten them securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the ceiling and slide the hanger ball into the hanger bracket. Turn the motor until the groove in the ball aligns with the tab in the hanger bracket. Now you can make the electrical connections. Use wire nuts to connect the ground wires from the downrod, hanger bracket, and ceiling box together. Connect the neutral wire from the ceiling box to the white wire from the fan. Connect the hot wire from the ceiling box to the black and blue wires from the fan. If your outlet box has an extra hot wire to control the fan and light separately, connect the black wire to one hot wire and the blue wire to the other hot wire. If applicable, cap off any unused wires from the ceiling box. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place, then tuck into the box. Align and twist the canopy over the hanger bracket screws. Insert the removed canopy screw and tighten both screws securely. Align and twist the canopy cover over the hanger bracket screws. The light kit can now be installed. On the motor's mounting ring, remove one of the screws and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the switch housing up to the fan. Align and twist over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Connect the 9-pin connectors. Remove one of the screws from the switch housing and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the light kit up to the fan and connect both plugs. Align and twist over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Install the included LED bulb. Bring the plastic shade up to the fan. Align and turn into the light kit until snug. Clip on the pull chains and fobs. Power can now be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The speed pull chain cycles through the different fan speeds. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. The light pull chain toggles the light on or off. The reverse switch changes the direction of the fan rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Note that the fan should be off when operating the reverse switch. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.